So Mark, there is a problem. Do you know what the problem is? So the problem with these rears is there's no mounting points like anywhere on the panel. It's all here at the side skirt, and then it sits on top of the cap here, which has mounting points. Now we need to mount this and that at the same time to kind of get it like perfect. I mean, I guess we could mount it through that and then use tape to hold up that side, but we have to mount up this side too.
A full kit by himself.
Yeah. I mean, we could do this too. It's not gonna be hard. It's just it's not gonna be as easy as I thought.
Which one goes over? This one or that one?
That one goes on the over.
Over?
It goes way lower and forward. Yeah, like that.
And then the rear sits back here.
Mm-hmm. But you see the dilemma? We can only mount the bottom side for now.
Yeah.
And then we gotta mark the rear. So I think that's what I'll do is I'll get some tape to mark. It's not even on the tape, which is so funny. Ooh, that's a $500 side skirt. So this is with like a 1-inch spacer on the wheel. So without the 1-inch spacer, there's like another two and a half inches of lip that I can put on. Oh, it might be off a little bit. Oh, actually, no. That's good. Yeah, I definitely need that bolt in the back.
He originally got this to be this thing.
Yeah, thank you for showing Mark the stupid
Oh yeah, I found a kit.
kit.
No, yeah, I found one randomly. It was something.
Oh, that's a lot of extra lip that I could put on.
Your diffuser itself.